Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you people are enjoying your online classes. We all can see all your videos which you are posting into the groups. A big claps for all yourselves and a pat on your back. And I also got responses for computers, and I would like to say a very good to everybody. In our last classes, we studied about machines. Machines are the things which make our work easy. Then we saw there are two types of machine. One is manual machine and second one is electronic machine. I had asked a question whether computer is an electronic machine or a manual machines, and I got very good responses and all of them were correct answers. Yes, computer is an electronic machine. Why? Because it needs power, current to start and work on it. So let's go ahead and learn a little more about this wonderful machine called computer. Yes, children, we saw so many electronic machines. I have got few more examples. A keyboard, a play music, a piano set. It also requires electricity. You people have seen it, your music teacher playing it in your daily assembly. You might have seen sir keeps putting wire connections before the assembly starts. Yes, he plays this keyboard and it is connected through a wire to the power supply. And we use telephones, we use TV. Imagine a TV without a wire. Can it work? No. Now let's see what's next. Computer is a very useful machine. Yes, it's a wonderful machine. We use it for many work. We use for drawing, we use for typing, we use for internet, many things. Now let's just see what are the different parts over here. Can you see? This is a monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O, knee, N-I, knee, T-O-R, monitor. Now, this is a CPU. This is a CPU. Now, this is keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-O, A-R-D, ard, keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Now this is a mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now this is a printer. We use printer for printing pictures on the paper. Now this is a scanner. If we want to put any picture inside the computer, we use scanner. Printer will give you picture outside. Scanner will take a picture and put its image inside the system. Now let's just see what all else we have for the computer benefits. A computer is a machine which helps us to first solve sums. What are sums? Maths problems. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If we ask the computer, if we type in a computer 1 plus 1, it will give us a result as 2. We can use the computer for drawing pictures. We can do lots of drawing on that, correct? We can listen to music. We can play music in the computer and we can listen to it. We can play lots of games on the computer, correct? See how many things we are able to do, children. First thing, we can solve problems. We can solve sums. We can solve these mathematical problems. Then second thing, we can draw pictures on it. Third thing, we can listen to music on computers. Fourth thing, we can play games in the computer. So computer is a machine which helps us to do these many things, correct? Computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity. It works on, wait, I'll show you. It works on electricity. And then it has three main parts. It has three main parts. What are those main parts? Just show. Yes, a computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity and it has three main parts or three components. They are input unit, then CPU or a processor, and third one output unit. Input unit, processing unit, output unit. See, we were discussing computer helps us to solve problems, draw pictures, listen to music and play games. Children, now what is an input unit? What is a processing unit? Or what is an output unit? I always teach you people. From this hand, you take the information from the user. Who is the user? We. We who use a computer. Whoever use a computer is a user. So, user gives the information to the computer. How do I give the information to the computer? I give it by using mouse or I give it by using keyboard. I will type the computer. I will type on the computer using keyboard. I will tell the computer solve 1 plus 1. Computer will give me an answer 2. So the part of computer from which we put information inside the computer are called input unit. The part of computer which gives me information, which shows me information. Monitor shows me information, correct? Yes. So this becomes my output unit. And who does the calculation? What is the brain of the computer? It is CPU. So all the processing happens in CPU. So that's why computer has three main parts: input unit, processing unit, and output unit. Through input, it takes information. Through processing unit, CPU, it does all the calculation, and from output unit, it gives out the information to the user. Who is the user here? We, who is using the computer. Any doubt, children? You can just put a message in the group. I will clarify you. I hope you have understood. I'll meet you on the next day. Bye.